So in this video, I want to share with you how I went from making $0 per month, a total brokey, to making over $1,000 per day, slightly more than that actually, with around 90 to 95% in profit margins. So I'm going to share with you how I got to where I am and the strategy you can use to obtain similar results. My name is Fred, and I went from making $0 per month, coming from the lower middle class, to making over $1,200 per day with my online business using a simple 4-step process. Now, I've put together a free video training that shows you everything I did step by step so you can copy me. The link will be in the bio. And if you want me to directly help you, I'm offering free strategy calls where together we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to $10,000 per month as quickly as possible. And to thank you, when we get to 30,000 subs on YouTube, I'll give away $2,000. Watch the video until the end, subscribe, and share with a friend to win. If you've been searching for ways to make money online, you've probably encountered so many different business models that promise you the world but fall flat when you actually try them. And that's actually not a coincidence. The truth is, 99% of people fail with most business models online because they're not actually beginner friendly. They require skills, strategies, capital, and experience that most people simply don't have when just starting out. But here is the thing, there is a way to make money online that's actually more accessible and way more profitable than all the other business models you already know of. And that's exactly what I want to talk to you about today, because this business model completely changed my life. I went from being so anxious I couldn't even leave the house, having to sleep in a basement infested with rats sometimes in the summer because it would be so warm inside the house. I went from literally having no life at all to reaching all of my goals and making more money than I ever thought possible, while having the freedom I always desired. Now, before I actually found success online, I failed spectacularly plenty of times. For example, in high school, I decided to start a dropshipping business with a friend. You've probably heard of it. The business model where you sell physical products from Wish, AliExpress, or Alibaba, and the product is directly shipped to the customer when they place an order. So the advantage is that you don't have to buy inventory up front like you would if you had to start an actual e-commerce brand. So it sounds great on paper, right? So we went all in. We spent thousands of dollars on building our website, our Facebook ads, all of it to get what in return? Nothing. Actually, we made one sale, only 30 minutes after launching the ad campaign. But then everything went downhill from here and we just lost so much money on Facebook ads. It's insane. But here is where it gets interesting. A lot of people in my position would have given up after losing so much time, money, and putting so much effort into something that completely flopped. But I was determined to make it work and to find success online. I knew that working a traditional job wasn't meant for me. I knew I wanted to do something bigger. I personally grew up in a lower middle class family, and I will never forget the constant tension we had at home, especially because my parents would constantly argue over the price of everything, even just the price of bread. So they were always working hard, but it really seemed like no matter how much they tried, they were just scraping by. Meanwhile, at school, I could see these wealthy kids with everything I dreamed of. Big houses, lots of friends, vacations to places I could only dream of going to, luxury cars, etc. You get my point. And most importantly, their parents didn't have to worry about money like we did. So it was a very harsh contrast with my own reality, where my parents worked themselves to the bone only to earn a small salary and to barely get any recognition. My father was a nurse and my mother a nursing assistant. And when my mother got sick during my teenage years, I made her a promise. I told her I would always be there to take care of my younger sister should anything happen to my parents. And so of course I couldn't just break my promise and let them down. I had to figure out a way to actually make money and to become successful. And that promise became my driving force. And the day I finally made more than my parents' salary in a month, I remember the smile on my mother's face. She was so proud of me. It was honestly one of the most fulfilling moments of my life, because I felt like in one instant all of my hard work had finally paid off. Because at first when I started my business, it was difficult. Things were rough, I'm not going to lie to you. I remember over lunch she would often ask me, "How is it going with your business?" And I had nothing to tell her because I wasn't getting any customers. I was just telling her, trust me, it's gonna work out. And then it finally did in the end. So in my early 20s, I started to make more money per month than people make when they're like 50, 40 and they've been working for years and they studied like 5 years in university. And so in 2022, when I got started originally, I offered lead generation services as well as a bit of consulting on the side to entrepreneurs to help them to book more sales calls to grow their business. business. And when I landed my first high-ticket customer who paid me over $1,000, everything changed. A few days later, I closed another customer who paid me even more. And that's when I realized I was onto something and I needed to double down on what I was doing because clearly I was doing something right. And that's what it made me realize after building my business myself successfully, making over 1.2k per day and helping dozens of my customers to get their first customers and to even make $10,000 plus per month. What I've came to realize is that success, it's not about luck. It's about doing the right things consistently and following the right proven step-by-step blueprint. So pretty much anybody can get started with this business model, even if they are a complete beginner and even if they think they have nothing to sell to anyone. So let me explain how it works in detail. We've created a simple process that's easy to follow and gets incredible results. It's based on a 3-step process: traffic, calls, and delivery. So let's break it down because this is the foundation that will allow you to build a 6, even a 7-figure business in record time. First, we need traffic. This is simply about getting enough eyeballs in front of your offer. And I don't mean flashy marketing or trying to become an influencer overnight. This can be done with content that actually speaks to the people who need your help. So whether it's by posting content on social media, direct outreach, or even utilizing paid ads, you need to get a flow of leads who are interested in what you have to offer. Because if right now nobody knows about your company, about your services, or about what you offer, that's the reason why you're struggling to scale past $10,000 per month. The reality is most businesses who are still under $1 million, they just lack visibility. It's really as simple as that. Because without visibility, you could have the best product or the best service in the world, but it doesn't matter if nobody knows it exists. Think of it like opening a tea shop in the middle of the desert. No matter how great the tea is, if nobody passes by, you will not make a single sale. So the key to building a profitable business that makes you 6, even 7 figures per year, even hell, 8 figures per year, it's not about having the best offer possible, at least not at first. It's about ensuring people actually see it. Because right now, some of your competition, they make 10 times, 100 times more money than you do. Why? Not because they're better at what they do, but simply because they get more attention, more visibility. And once you get that visibility, everything else will follow: sales, clients, and revenue. Now, once you've got traffic, we want to move to calls. This is where the magic happens. Now, I know a lot of people who get freaked out when they hear the word sales. I get it. Nobody likes the idea of being pushy or annoying. But here is the truth. If you are running a business, sales are absolutely critical because they're the lifeblood of any business. And if you have a problem with being sold something, that's most likely the reason why you're still broke right now or not making as much money as you would like. Just think about this. Every business you interact with is trying to sell you something. I make content because it's free advertising for my business. So whether you realize it or not, you're constantly being sold to and you're actually fine with it. So when it's your turn, do not be afraid to take on that responsibility, to put yourself out there, to pitch your offer. The key is not to sell junk that doesn't help people. The key is to help people to fix painful problems that they have. And that's what makes your offer, your product, or service so valuable. So when you're on these calls, you're not just talking endlessly about your offer. You're asking people some questions to see whether or not you can genuinely help them. And if you can, you want to explain to them how you can help them to solve their problem. It's that simple. And if you approach sales with this mindset, helping people to make an empowered buying decision, it won't feel slimy. And the best part is, you're in control. Now let's talk about the delivery phase. This is where the magic of high profits comes into play. You can either sell coaching or services, both of which have an insane potential for profit. For example, you could offer coaching services in areas like fitness or even dating. If you invest in the stock market, you could teach people how to invest in the stock market. You don't need to be a world-class expert. All you need is to be just a few steps ahead of your ideal customer. That's it. And if you wanted to sell a service, but you really have no skills, no previous experience, you could just focus on selling the service, getting clients, and having a remote contractor do the work for you. That way, you can sell any service without having to do it yourself. And plenty of my customers, that's exactly what they're doing. And when they follow the process we give them, they're usually able to get their first client within 30 days of working with us. And per client, they make thousands of dollars. So you don't need to be a specialist in everything to run a successful business. You just need to know how to run the business itself and how to sell, how to market your product. Now, this is where things get really interesting. Let's talk about money. With this business model, you're looking at profit margins around 90 to 95%. So as you can see, it's extremely high. I challenge you right now to find another business model that gives you higher profit margins. You won't. When you sell physical products, profits are razor thin, 5 to 20% at most. And in business, what really matters, it's profit, not revenue. Because you can have a business that makes you 6 figures, even 7 figures, but after expenses, costs, and taxes, you're barely left with anything if you've got tiny profit margins to begin with. But with this model, you get to keep most of the money you make, and that allows you to scale very fast. Now, here is where the rubber meets the road. if you're serious about making this work, you've got to commit to it relentlessly. For the next 90 days, I want you to go hard on this business, to treat it as a matter of life or death, and you will be shocked at the results you can actually get. You can't be half in, half out, or waiting for the perfect time, because the perfect time is right now. You're either serious about making this happen or you're not, but there are no excuses. At the end of the day, there is no magic shortcut to success. It's about consistently working on the right thing long enough to get the results you want. That's it. Now, to help you, I've put together a free video training in which I explain step by step how I make over 1K per day with my business. That way, all you've got to do is to copy me. And if you're serious about making more money and making 2025 the best year of your life, I'm offering free strategy calls where together we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to $10,000 per month as quickly as possible. The links will be in the description below. And with that said, I will see you on the other side.